Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Begonia masoniana, a captivating and distinctive begonia species that adds a touch of exotic beauty to your indoor garden. But before we embark on this green adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Begonia masoniana, commonly known as Iron Cross begonia, is native to a specific region in Asia. It is indigenous to the southwestern China, specifically in the Yunnan province. This region is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to various begonia species, including Begonia masoniana. This begonia species is celebrated for its striking foliage. The large, rounded leaves are deeply textured and resemble the patterns of a traditional Indian textile, earning it the common name Iron Cross begonia. The leaves have a rich green color with distinctive silver markings that form a cross-like pattern. These unique characteristics make it a standout in any plant collection. To successfully cultivate Iron Cross begonia, it's essential to provide the right growing conditions. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. It prefers well-draining potting mix and should be watered when the top inch of soil feels slightly dry. Ensure that the pot has proper drainage to prevent overwatering, which can harm the plant. Begonia masoniana is relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to typical indoor environments. Maintaining moderate humidity levels will also benefit its growth. Companion plants that complement Begonia masoniana's unique foliage include ferns, such as the maidenhair fern for its lush and delicate contrast, and peperomonia varieties for their diverse leaf shapes and textures. Iron Cross begonia is a versatile and captivating addition to any indoor garden. Its unique foliage and striking appearance make it an excellent choice for tabletop displays, as a focal point in decorative arrangements, or even as a gift plant. In conclusion, the Iron Cross begonia is a captivating and distinctive begonia species that can elevate the beauty of any indoor space. If you found this exploration as enchanting as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of plants on our channel.